What does labefaction mean? The word labefaction may sound unusual, but it carries a powerful meaning. Labefaction refers to the weakening, decay, or downfall of something, especially moral values, structures, or authority. It's often used to describe the process of something becoming unstable or collapsing either physically or emotionally. Imagine a situation where a once powerful empire begins to fall apart, that's labefaction. Or when someone's strong moral beliefs slowly start to fade away, that's also labefaction. Definition of labefaction. Labefaction is a noun that means the act of weakening or the state of being weakened. The undermining of strength, stability, or moral foundation. This word is mostly used in formal or literary contexts, but it adds a strong and specific tone when used properly. Labefaction synonyms: decline, collapse, deterioration, downfall, disintegration, undermining. How to use labefaction in sentences. The corruption in leadership led to the complete labefaction of the government. Historians often study the labefaction of civilizations to understand their end. There is a growing concern about the labefaction of social values in modern times. Final thoughts. Labefaction is a rare but impactful word. Using it can help describe serious breakdowns, whether in systems, values, or institutions, with depth and precision.